I'm saying.
Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Kanyo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching a super easy wrist mount tower. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. So as you can see, this is super simple, but yeah, I hope you have fun learning it. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial. And this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK. They've been a sponsor for a long time, and you know, they're super helpful. So if you want to go over there and check out the yo-yos, you can. And you can use my discount code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. And they'll also give a little kickback to me, so thanks. Anyway, yeah, here's how to do the trick. So you're going to start off by rolling into just a basic wrist mount like so. And then you're going to underpass. So you want to be in like the boat. I like to call it the boat mount, but it's really just the actual wrist mount. And then you're going to mount onto this string from the back, like so. Right, it's kind of like you're just dismounting a wrist mount, but you're not going to dismount it. From here, you're going to pinch this trapeze that's been formed and then drop that string that was here. Okay. Next, you're going to put this string closer to you into the front of the yo-yo like that. And then pull your whole hand out, leaving just your thumb in it. From here, you're going to pinch this string and do what is essentially a brother slack. But instead of catching it in a brother, you're going to catch it in a tower. And you're only going to catch that last string that you see, none others. And this will form the tower. Now from the tower, you can drop everything on your non-throw hand. And then either do a little half suicide into a green triangle, or you can just roll into a green triangle. Alright, roll. And that is literally the whole trick, guys. Like I said, this one is super quick and easy, but it takes a lot of practice to get down. I actually messed up so many times trying to film the intro to this video. It's unreal. But anyway, yeah. I'll go over it one more time, and then I'll send you on your merry way. So you're going to roll into a wrist mount, right? Underpass, mini trapeze, pinch with your thumb and index finger, drop the slack, put it into the front of the yo-yo, pull your wrist out, pinch, and then do a little brother whip, tower, present the tower, drop, green triangle that pops from the back, and then you combined. Anyway, yeah, that's the whole trick. If you have any comments or questions, let me know at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo on Instagram, or you can leave them in the comments down below. Otherwise, yeah, peace.
All I'm saying.